Yeah, I think we are live now. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yep. Um, Hi everyone, welcome to another live stream. In this live stream, we're going to do some programming stuff and some bug fixes here and there. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. Just have to switch the scene. So yeah. All right. So the last time we have solved the issue with the buttons. If the respective data folders, so costumes, characters, and environment, if one of them is missing or not present, then you're not able to use the mod menu. Yeah. Nevertheless, I found some other bugs and issues. The first one is, wait a second. If you select one of these, you are not able to uh, use the search bar, which is kind of uncomfortable. And yeah, besides that, we're going to do some other bug fixes as well. And of course, I want to mm, fix this shit. So it looks horrible with if else, if else, if else. Pretty much looks like shit. Yeah. So I would say we can start and yeah, we have to. First of all, I would say we are going to enable the search bar. Uh, okay, then we can set this to false as well. This is our check for the buttons. If the emulator is not present or the path is invalid, then we are going to disable some buttons like the costumes button, play flycast button, and so on and so forth. Yep. And now we are going to, no, not button, TV, text box, path, no, search, enabled, equals false. Um, okay. Um, be right back for 5 minutes. Gonna be on the phone. I am back. Sorry for this one. Oops. Mm, shit. Okay, now we have disabled the search bar whenever the emulator was not found, and we also have to re-enable it if okay, we're going to enable this one as well. False equals false. Like I've said before, we have two conditions. The emulator path must be valid, and flycast has to be present in this folder. This is the first condition, and the second condition is that uh, an objective is selected. For example, the costumes, characters, environment. One of these three. Yep. And we're going to enable this here. So what we basically do is if the objective was not found or if it's empty, then we are going to disable the enable disable buttons. So you're not able to use the mod panel, these buttons here. If you have not selected one of these, you can't use these buttons. Yeah, that's the logic behind this. And let's move on. I'm going to test this one. So, okay, right now it doesn't work. Now it's working, so I can type movie suit, and if there are no results, yeah, question mark, add no items. Yeah, cool. Um, looks pretty good. Lovely. Fixed this issue as well. All right. Oh, what? Okay, pretty much useless warning, I guess, but yeah. Okay, now we are going to um actually I want to change this shit. This is something that keeps me busy. Um else switch. I think there should be another way to implement this function without the if else statement. I mean, this looks pretty much ugly. Doesn't look good. It isn't sexy if we have a lot of if else statements, you know, so it's always the best to keep stuff like that simple. And that's my goal. So if I make all of these things simple, it's easier to find the mistakes if I'm, for example, going to debug my program. And yeah, I'm going to start flycast. Oops. Yes, sir. Um, it's loading. So yeah, um, this was actually another costume that I was working on. So it's yeah, having the PlayStation 1 logo on the front and back, and having the lenses from Marvel Spider-Man 2, where Peter had the symbiote suit. Yeah. Okay. We can test some costumes. X-Men 2024. Nice. All right. Perhaps this is going to be a short live stream. Yeah, well, the only condition for this one is if there are not any other bugs, then we can finish this live stream. Uh, yep, in few hours, I would say in 1 hour or 30 minutes. Yeah, I think so. 30 minutes or 1 hour. All right. Um, nice. 3 people watching. Yeah, but I guess I'm the first one. Hey man, nice to hear from you. I had seizure because it is only one line of code just for for the brackets. Yeah, that's true. How are you doing, man? I haven't seen you like for, I don't know, 2 years or something. Yo, by the way, if you have Discord, you can just add me if you want to. So yeah, this is my Discord if you want, if you would like to add me, then yeah. Um, I think there should be a method to automatically toggle the enabled state. So if we don't have to use if else, I think there's a, well, perhaps there's another method. Uh, Let me Google up real quick. Uh, Let me see. C sharp button toggle. Uh, Button class. Yeah, that's pretty much basic stuff. That's not what I'm looking for. Uh, oh, okay. Um, so, oh, okay. Um, Dynamic UI control state management. Yeah, I actually want to change the behavior and mm, oh, okay. It's the same shit I did. Yeah, switch case. Ah, switch case doesn't look good. Um, okay. Uh, so we should have. Um, Click button on existence, perhaps? Yeah, I mean, it's a boolean, so, mm, yeah. Mm. If else looks ugly, that's why I want to change it. Mm. Okay, I'm trying to do this one. So can, I found something useful. Yep, this should do the trick. So let's see. Uh, and directory exists. Costumes. Yeah, let's try this one. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm setting the state of the button, so if it's enabled or not, it's based on this condition. So if this condition, both of them, because I'm using and not or, if the emulator was found and if the directory exists, so it's like, yeah, data backslash costumes. If this path is, or this directory existing, then it's going to enable the button, otherwise it's going to disable it. So let's check it out. Let's try. Mm, oh, crap. Yep. So just look at that. This is fucking gorgeous. Lovely. Nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Very nice. And if I type costumes again, yeah, I'm going to use this one. My lunch break from coding to see people on YouTube coding. Nice, bro. Yeah, cool. If you want to, you can add me on Discord if you have. Um, all right. I can remove this crap. Character enable is based on MUOK and directory exists. Data path. I actually didn't know this before, but this is very useful. So instead of using if else, and that crap, makes sense to define the condition within the enabled state. So let me check characters and yeah, environment. Enabled is based on if emulator is okay. So if the emulator is found, add if the directory exists, environment. So um looks good. Let's try again. So yeah, nice. All right, this looks pretty good. Characters, costumes, environment. Yeah, get that. Pretty good. Nice. Okay, then I might drop today or in a few minutes or hours the next update, which is going to be 2.0.3. And nice, we have 4 people watching. Yeah, it's actually 3 because of me. Yeah, I can close this one. So yeah, it seems to work. I'm very happy with that. Mm, so what else? We have fixed the search bar. We have made this one even more beautiful. So I mean, look at that. Instead of having if else, this is pretty much the sexiest line of code that I've ever seen. um, yeah, I think we could do the same with this one. Yep. Play and was only going to be enabled if this was found. And but I think I have to use this one. So it's like this. So instead of having if else, I'm just putting this stuff. And yep. So if emulator exists, but uh, it's a conditional operator. Yeah, bro. I mean, look at that. It's bullshit if you have if else and then switch case and then you got if else once again. So it looks shit. So this is pretty much the simplest thing. And yeah. Is there anything over there is named? I think I know what you mean. Um, I think you mean this one. Uh, is it this sign here? This one? This little thing? Yeah. So I could basically do some another check. Yeah, I have an idea. Mm. Oh, the question mark operator. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that's yeah, question mark. Okay, let's have a look. We're going to disable this, and this. Yeah, I mean we can actually toggle the enabled state and check buttons mod. So this is actually the function for the mod panel buttons for the objectives, and this is yeah, the general or main button check, because if the emulator is not present or not found, then it will disable all other buttons. Yeah. So search reload. Yeah, can do this. Okay. I don't need it because it's twice. Then yeah, so we can do these ones, and so I would say I would have only one if statement, and that's going to be a check if the object, if emulator was found or not. So yeah, um, actually I can ignore this one because it will, yeah, it's going to enable these ones if they are, if emulator is okay. So can remove this and this. This one as well, and yeah. So looks pretty good. And if it's like this, yeah, I'm going to write this one. Objective type equals string empty. Yeah, it looks much better than before. All right. Then we have the buttons for the mod panel. Yeah, I would say we are going to mm, make the same thing here. So if objective is okay. So in order to enable the objective buttons, emulator must be found, and to enable the buttons for the mod panel, the objectives has to be selected, emulator has to be existing, and the directories. So string is not null, or what's this? Or what's this? Research enabled AMU, okay. Yeah, well, mm, I'm only going to objective, okay. Emulator, okay. So if both conditions, okay. Emulator, okay. Let's try it this way. Emulator, okay. Objective, okay. String is not null. Oh, white space. Oh, name, okay, objective, okay, and string is no or white space, objective name, yes. Move this one, and we are going to do it like this. Yes, sir. Looks nice. Yeah, it's actually cool to know that you're also a programmer. Um, I actually didn't know that. Sure, bro. Take care and stay safe. I see you perhaps on Discord or someone someday. Congrats for the project. Yeah, man. Thanks a lot. Much appreciated. Take care, bro. Yeah. Uh, let's have a look. So we have for the mod panel two conditions: emulator, okay, objective, okay, and objective name must not be empty, so null or white space. And yeah, looks good. I'm just going to test it out and see if it works properly. Now, once that's done, we're going to copy the new one, replace. Yep, so it's disabled, and characters is gone. Yes. Oh yeah, I have to. Oh, yep. We have to clean the. Yes. We have to clean the list box. Instead of calling separate functions, just let me hold on. Wait a second. I think we can do this all in one function. So just call this one check buttons. So check, yeah, buttons. Enable or disable buttons based on several conditions. Yeah, looks great. All right. Then we'll get some errors because we're calling some functions that are not present anymore, so we have to call check buttons twice. And I like this one, and yep, there was too much. Check buttons. Yes, sir. Okay, successful. Very nice. So let's try this again. Characters. Nice. And if it's not found, yes, we have to clean the check buttons. I would perhaps, yeah, check buttons is okay. And we have to, with or objective, okay. I'll try with this one. Yeah, characters. And, oh, shit. Yes. Let's go to characters, change this one. Yeah, looks good. But we have to disable uh list what's items clear. Yeah, that was the thing that was missing. So yeah, let's check again. Go for environment. Nice. Okay, very cool. So we made the source code even better. It looks much better than before. So we only have one function and check objective, check emulator. Yeah, we don't need this for the data one because if the data folder is not present then you're not going to use the mod menu at all. Oh, Trefidel error, you fucking idiot. Alright, so far so good. I don't see any other bugs. Unless you have some, you did found some other bugs, then just let me know and I'll fix them. So let's assume that I've just downloaded the project. I'm going to delete my config file. Flycast was not found. Please ensure that you have selected the correct directory where Flycast is installed and present. Okay, I'm going to select desktop. Nope, doesn't work. So, emulators, Flycast. Cool, nice. If I change something in the config file, yeah, it doesn't do anything much. Yeah, looks good. Mm-hmm. I am very happy with that. Yeah, actually, we did some great work, like much better than the previous ones. I didn't like it at all, so if you have multiple if else statements, it's fucking ugly. It's always the best to keep things simple, even in real life. So, yeah. Uh, yeah, let's try to, I would say, delete the config file. There's nothing. Delete, restart. Yes, sir. We're going to select Flycast. Yes. Then I'm going to play with the Avengers iconic suit. Yeah, it works how it should. Yeah, baby. Finally, some good work. Very nice. Disable sound effects and notifications. Yep. This one, I'm going to use this one, then this one, this one, this one, mastered, remastered. Then we're going to use this, environment. Yeah, we can use this one. It will take a while. Then I'm going to use this title screen. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Nice. Comic collections. The thumbnails are in high quality. Nice one. Okay, we have been streaming for like, yeah, around about 45 minutes. Yeah, I think 10 to 20 more minutes. And if there is nothing else, I will drop the next patch. And that's going to be 2.0.3. I'm thinking about to remove this reload all mods button because it's pretty much useless because the let me explain. If you change anything in this data folder, for example, the costumes or I don't know the name of the executable, or you're going to change something in the config file, then this file system watcher will get triggered. Let me show you. Where is that crap? There. The file system watcher, we have to set the path, and it's the current directory where the executable is running. In my case, it's yeah, mods and tools, Spider-Man 2000 mod menu, and it's literally watching live this directory for changes. So, for example, if you create a folder or delete a folder, then it will automatically call a function which is load all mods. It will call this function. So if you change anything, this function will be called all the time. Yeah, just have to find that. Yep, no, not reload. Yeah, if you, as you can see, file system watcher directory and underscore changed. This is basically the yeah, event. And if we change something, it will automatically load, call this function load mods. Let's do a test. If I go to costumes, and now I'm going to delete this suit, or I don't know, perhaps, yeah, Alex Ross. And now it has been updated automatically. And then I'm going to, yeah, as you can see, it's back there. Yeah, nice. All right. Looks pretty good for the next patch. Yep. So yeah, credits. Yeah, I've added some honorable mention names. So Crystal Gamer and other people, Solid Snake 11, and other great people from the Spider-Man 3000 community. Just thanks for everything, for his huge support and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm very grateful. Yeah, I would say it seems to work flawless. Mm, search bar is working. I changed the directory. Okay, cool. It's going to change the, it's disable the buttons. And now we can reload our function, our config, not our function, sorry. We can reload the config file. And yeah, there it is. So main menu, enter electro. Yep. Looks decent. Looks cool. I'm happy with that. So, yeah, I think we did some good progress today. At least we got rid of the ugly if else statement, so we only have one if the amulet was not found or the objective is not selected or empty or whatever, and it's going to reset the objective name to string empty so it will clear the variable, and we're also going to clear all list box items. So what else? I would say we can stop this streaming right here, and I'm going to upload this new patch. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next live stream or perhaps in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, and take care.